We are designing a next level football flyer today. Both tech, powerful effect and games devs all in one design. Let's jump right into Photoshop. If your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. And if you have a question, let me know in the comment. The same before, in the flyer I have three important in design. The first, working with background. Second, working with picture and color. And third, working with logo and text. For design everything in Photoshop, the first step we have to do is create a new document. For create a new document, we have many ways. For the first way, we go to File, to New. Okay. And for another way, you just Control and letter N. Hold Control and letter N. This is the recent size I used before. We can see it add photo, print, art, illustration, web, mobile, film, and something like that. I'm back. And if you want to make by your own style, please take a look to preset detail. The text I selected is the name of document. I just example and you can put what you want. For size, I choose centimeter size, and width I put 21, height 27, orientation I choose this one, and I no need artboard so I don't tick on it. Resolution 300 pixel inch, color mode RGB 8-bit, background content I put white, color profile sRGB, sphere pixels, and create. This is our new document. And before design, we save it first. For save a new document, we go to File, choose Save As for the first save, and choose the place you want to save, and click Save. For next step, I want to put guard layout, so I go to View, choose Guards, and choose New Guard Layout. Take a look here. This is the color of guard layout, and you can choose the color you want. And tick on machine if you don't tick. And for here, all of them I put 70 pixels. And OK. So the first, working with background. So I insert the background picture. I go to folder. I choose this one and drop it. Right click and flip horizontal. And for the background, I download from Pinterest. You just go to Pinterest website and you search background. You will see many background, and you can search many items as well, like light background or light paper, everything that you want. Okay. And for this background, I want to make it blur. For make it blur, we go to Filter, choose Blur, and Cast Scene Blur. I put 10 pixels and OK. For next step, I add a background one more. I go to folder. I drop this. And you can download it on website. And I want to make it blur as well. I no need go to filter again. I just copy from the previous background. To copy, you just hold Alt key and drag it to the layer what you want. The previous background is 10 pixels of blur, but for this background I need only 5 pixels. So change it, just double click on Smart Filter and put 5 pixels and OK. Now we finish on background, and for next step, I select both layer and Ctrl G to make group and put the name BG. It means background. For next step is picture and color. I insert the picture by go to folder and drop this picture. And I remove background of it. For remove background, we have many ways. I give you an easy way by click select subject on taskbar. If you don't see taskbar like that, we can go to it by go to window and tick on contextual taskbar. Okay. So I select subject and put layer mask. You can click here or click here. I want to change color of this picture. So the first I add hue and saturation. I click here and choose hue saturation. Right click and create clipping mask. Lighten I put 15 and saturation I put 45. Okay, and I add brightness and contrast by click here and choose brightness contrast. Right click and create clipping mask. I put minus 40 and contrast I put 80. I add brightness and contrast one more. Right click and create clipping mask. For second brightness and contrast, I use it for the light reflection from the background. And next up I use brush tool. I choose soft round. Hold Alt key and drag a right side mouse to make it big or small. Opacity I put 50. The color I put black. Okay, so I insert another picture. Drop this one. Select subject for remove background and put layer mask. For next step, I copy hue, saturation, brightness from this picture to this picture. So I just select both layer, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Right click and create clipping mask. And I customize it a little bit. Okay, and I add brightness and contrast to make light. Right click and create clipping mask. I use brush tool and brush it. I insert another picture. Select subject and put layer mask. I copy brightness, hue, saturation to this picture as well. Right click and create clipping mask, and I customize it a little bit more. And for next step, I press design and design to this picture. I click on it and I click here and I choose brush tool. Color, make sure it's black. This picture. And for this picture, I add the brightness and contrast to make some light. Choose brush tool again and bright it. I add flag, I go to folder and drop this picture. I want to put motion blur to it. I click on it or stand on it. I go to filter, click on blur and choose motion blur. Distance I put 100. Okay. I select all layer, also brightness, contrast, hue, saturation as well. I click on the top layer and hold shift and click and Ctrl G to make group and put the name. Okay. And for next step, I add a rectangle over here. I use rectangle tool. And the color we can change it later. And put layer mask. For next step, I choose gradient tool. I choose classic gradient. I click here and choose basic and click on it and choose this star. Double click to change color. And when we zoom, we will see the rectangle. So I press it. I click on layer mask and choose brush tool, color black, and press it. For next, I add texture background. I have it already. I go to folder, this one, and change blend mode to screen. And for next step, logo and text. I insert team logo. And next step, I add text. For add text, we use text tool. And you can tap or Ctrl V to paste. Okay, finish. And I remove card layout from this flyer. I go to View, choose Card, and clear Canvas card. And final step is I export it to JPEG. For export, I go to File, click on Export, and click on Quick Export as JPEG. And choose the place you want to export, and click Save. Finish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. If you want to see another flyer, let me know in the comment. See you next video.